Hi, I'm Michelle with Mortuary Lift Company, and today we're doing a Tug-Along unboxing. So what is a Tug-Along? A Tug-Along is a compact portable winch designed to give you controlled pulling and loading, especially when you don't have the luxury of extra hands or ideal conditions. For removals, it uses a patented seatbelt style attachment that mounts directly inside the vehicle so you get a smooth, controlled loading without any permanent install. Tug-Along itself is fully portable, so you're not tied to one setup or one location. You can use it anywhere the job takes you. And while it's built for removals, it's not limited to one type of job. This is built for hard work, whether that's vehicle recovery, property work, landscaping, or even hunting and hauling in rough terrain. If it's heavy, awkward, or doesn't want to move, this thing handles it. Let's take a look at what